Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm wearing earrings. I don't know when the last time I wore earrings like this was. Anyways, today's video is not about that. We're just going to pretend like this eye did not happen because she turned out a hot mess. And we're going to focus on this eye because it is not quite so bad. But today's video is going to be a tutorial on this eye look. So if you'd like to see how I achieved this hot mess, keep on watching. As always, we're going to start by priming our eyes, and today I'm using the Morphe translucent eyelid primer. Just going to apply it with my finger, and keep in mind that you always want to make sure to use a good eyeshadow primer when applying a colorful eyeshadows, so that way you get the best payout. And as always, I have already put concealer on my eyes to cover up any discoloration. I broke this nail this morning and look at how sad it is. It's so much shorter than the rest of them. Sad day. And I mean, of course, I have to use the James Charles and Morphe palette because what kind of a colorful makeup tutorial would it be without all of this? We're going to start by taking a crease brush and this dark purple shade here, and I'm going to take a very generous amount. Start by applying that into getting fallout already. That's how generous I am with this shade. I'm just going to focus the shade first on the outer edge. And I like how that's looking now, so I'm going to move to the inner corner. Just gonna pick up a little bit more product and then place it on the inner corner, and we're going to leave this center section. We're gonna leave that blank. Now I'm going to take this fluffier brush and I'm going to mix this blue shade with the white. I'm gonna go mostly white with a little bit of blue. So make sure to tap the excess off. Now we're just going to use that to blend out the edges of that purple. Yes, I know this looks really messy, but sometimes that's eyeshadow. You just gotta stick with the process, trust that it's gonna turn out great, and we're just gonna ignore how messy it looks right now. But I'm just going to add a little bit more white right here. Now I'm going to take this little pencil brush and pick up this bright green shade here. Once again, being pretty generous with it. And then go back in with that same brush we used to apply the purple and blend the two together. So when blending two shades like this that aren't necessarily going to just blend together and make like purple and blue, they just blend together because purple is made from blue. But green and purple don't really blend together to make anything purple, anything pretty. So we want to be careful with how much we're blending the two together. So I'm just gonna continue packing this green on until I get the desired amount of green. I'm just going to lightly blend that green into the purple. And then once again going back in with that same brush that we applied the purple with and not adding any additional product, just blend that, and then go back in with the green. Now we're gonna go into this hot pink shade right here, and then we're gonna pack that right onto the center. Hey, editing Brina here. Yeah, I just realized this look would have looked so much better if I would have just put the green on the spotlight center of the lid instead of adding the pink. So just skip the pink and it'll look way better. And then I'm also going to just take the tip of the brush and blend it towards the purple at the very top. Now I'm going to go back in with some more green pigment and just amplify the green some more and blend it into the pink. I'm going to bring the green out a little bit further, and now go back in with the pink. Keep focusing it on the pink, but slightly blending it into the green. Because once again, green and pink don't really blend well together, so we don't want to overblend. But we want to make sure that it is as pigmented as we can get it. Lastly, I'm going to go back into the purple, just tap into it the tiniest amount and re-add some of the pigment we lost with all of the blending. Now we're going to go back in with that same brush we used the purple on this whole time, and we're gonna smoke this out like crazy. I'm gonna go pretty low with it. Once again, still leaving space in the center. I'm going to go back in with the white and the blue, and once again, blend out the purple. Wow, this is not really turning out how I was wanting it to. This is not at all what I envisioned for this look. Not really sure what to do here. Definitely went too wide with the blue there. Just gonna keep working with it. I'm totally regretting the blue on this eye. I'm hoping that by applying highlight that will fix this. So I'm going to go in with the Wet n Wild Make a Glow highlighting powder. I'm gonna be pretty generous with this. So what I think I'm going to do now is I'm just going to go ahead and do the other eye off camera, and I'm just going to leave out the blue and see how that looks. So see you when I get done with that. As I'm sure you can tell, I went ahead and applied some lashes too, and I think that the lashes really helped to make this look better. I definitely don't hate this eye so much now. This eye, definitely regret the blue. I really think the reason this look didn't come out how I was envisioning it is because the green wasn't as pigmented as I was anticipating it to be. Nothing on this palette. I was expecting I wanted the green to look like this on my eye, and it does not. So that's definitely what I think is throwing this look off, because I think it would look a lot better if this green was a lot more pigmented. But that's just my excuse. I messed up. I really don't know how I feel about this look, so please tell me what you think of it in the comments below. Please be nice. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you aren't already. Thanks for watching, and I hope to see you in my next one. Bye! Oh yeah.